Have you ever wanted to do a little keychain like this? Well, here are the tools that you gotta have. This is the Speedwalk glass crimper, which obviously is designed for glass, but it works great for doing this right here. So the crimper is very well made, solid. You have your Allen key screw here to prevent how far it goes. And then it comes with two sets of the plastic damper so that you don't over crimp the glass, or the little handle here. And then the little handle comes in this little bag here with a whole bunch of them, and I'll tag all of this so you can make your own. You just have to get somebody to make you the lanyard. Lanyard could be all kinds of different things. But you get your lanyard, you put it in there, crimp it down with that, and you're good to go.